Today I'll demonstrate how to take apart a Toshiba Satellite L50D-B, part number PSQCA01800S laptop that had a water damaged keyboard or liquid damage. First, unplug power and we'll take the battery out quickly. There's only 2 screws to undo. I've taken the rest of the screws out already from the side, and that's what people should do when it gets into the laptop. After dripping the liquid out like this, or turning the other way around. Anyway, I won't talk much, I'll just show you how do I disassemble this. Once the screws are out, it's just a matter of clicking the lid from the back. That takes a little bit there. Okay, you've got all these cables that you need to take out. Now first of all, take a screw out from the CD-ROM. We'll take the hard drive out. Now we'll take the cables. Start from, let's say, this side. Taking this up and then just put it in a place that we can find. Another cable here. You could leave some of the motherboard, but it's better to have them all out. Okay, let's get some screws around the motherboard. There is the network card. Just leave the screws, if I can, in the place where I took them from. This is the third time I'm taking this apart, so I know. Right, try to do it quickly. That one I already taped it back on, so actually I'll have to take this one. It's the power supply. Alright, the rest of the screws and the motherboard. The screws holding the fan, the motherboard. And just leave these. You gotta remember, the speaker wires go underneath the motherboard. I'll just show you how to take it apart, I won't show how to put it back together. It's just a reverse order basically. Alright, now this is where the keyboard connects to the motherboard, and this is a very delicate connection. Because once show how they metal sheet covers this. Basically all these I had to cut them off all the way around with a Stanley knife to be able to get underneath to get the keyboard out. And this one, the original keyboard, will stick to that as well. So that I still take that. Alright, now that comes out. And then that's our keyboard. So I already took this one out. And this is how it looks like. I'll put it back. This is the old one, just to show that's how it looks like. But basically just a flexible pressed keyboard, and it was definitely faulty because I had hardly any key working and the numlock was on all the time. Anyway, so same thing here. Had to take all these bits out, the plastic bits, with a Stanley knife and get it out. And the computer. So I don't know if you can see underneath, that's where the keyboard actually is. I'll lift it all up. But that's just comes out. Okay, the other thing was I had to fix the hinge because it was almost broken. It's always too stiff. You can, I'll show it at the end. There's screw there. You can adjust these ones to make it a bit looser, not as tight, because otherwise it's gonna break the back. I come across with my laptops at the back completely broken out because it was so stiff. Just would not close it properly. Alright, so that's about it. This is how you take it apart and just put it back together in the reverse ruler. Well, it will take about half an hour to cut all these bits out.